In today's busy world, versatility and efficiency in the kitchen are paramount. This Cosori 13-in-1 ceramic air fryer toaster oven combo brings these qualities to the forefront, offering a multifunctional appliance that promises to make your cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. From air frying to baking and even pan frying, this appliance does it all, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of dishes with ease. But is it worth the investment? Let's explore what makes this 26-quart kitchen appliance stand out and why it might just become your go-to for all your cooking needs. The first thing that sets the Cosori 13-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo apart is its impressive range of function. This isn't just an air fryer or a toaster oven, it's a true multitasking powerhouse. The 13 functions include bagel, pizza, air fry, air bake, air roast, air sous vide, proof, bake, broil, dehydrate, warm, and reheat. Whether you're preparing a morning bagel, baking a pizza, or air frying a healthy dinner, this appliance can handle it all. What's remarkable is how seamlessly the Cosori transitions between these different functions. There's no need to switch appliances or worry about inconsistent results. Each setting is optimized for the specific task, ensuring that your food is cooked perfectly every time. This versatility makes the Cosori air fryer toaster oven combo a great choice for anyone with a busy lifestyle or limited kitchen space. Instead of cluttering your countertops with multiple appliances, you can rely on this one device to handle a variety of cooking methods. Plus, with a 26-quart capacity, it's spacious enough to cook for the whole family without taking up too much room. One of the most frustrating aspects of using kitchen appliances is the cleanup process. Thankfully, Cosori has designed this air fryer toaster oven with easy cleaning in mind. The flat-sealed heating elements make wiping down the interior a breeze. Unlike traditional ovens or air fryers with exposed elements that can accumulate grease and grime, this model keeps everything smooth and easy to clean after each use. This thoughtful design feature ensures that maintaining your appliance won't become a dreaded chore. Simply wipe down the interior, and it's ready for your next culinary adventure. The innovative burner function is another standout feature of the Cosori 13-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. While most air fryers and toaster ovens are limited to enclosed cooking, this appliance offers an additional burner function. By leaving the door open, you can use the burner to cook eggs or other pan-fried foods directly on top of the appliance. This added flexibility is perfect for quick breakfasts or small meals, and it further expands the range of dishes you can prepare with this one device. It's a great example of how Cosori is constantly pushing the boundaries of what a kitchen appliance can do. When it comes to cooking appliances, heating efficiency is crucial. The Cosori 13-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo is equipped with 3 ceramic heating elements, one on the top, one on the bottom, and one at the back of the appliance. This ensures that your food is cooked quickly and evenly, without the hot spots or uneven results that can occur with other appliances. Ceramic heating elements are known for their ability to retain and distribute heat more effectively than traditional metal elements. This means your food will cook faster, helping you save time in the kitchen. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, you can trust that your meals will come out perfectly every time. When you invest in a kitchen appliance, having the right accessories is essential. Cosori understands this, which is why the 13-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo comes with 7 accessories, including an air fryer basket, sheet tray, wire rack, splatter guard, standing rack, thermometer, and a casserole pan. These accessories make it easy to take full advantage of the appliance's many functions, allowing you to get creative with your cooking. Additionally, the included recipe book provides inspiration for a variety of dishes, helping you get started with your new appliance. From crispy air-fried chicken to perfectly baked pizzas, the recipes are designed to make the most of the Cosori's capabilities. Final thoughts. The Cosori 13-in-1 ceramic air fryer toaster oven combo is a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-use appliance that will revolutionize the way you cook. Its 13 functions provide unparalleled flexibility, while the ceramic heating elements ensure fast, even cooking. The innovative burner function adds an extra layer of convenience, and the easy-to-clean design makes it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, this appliance has something to offer everyone. With its large capacity, multiple functions, and thoughtful design, Cosori 13-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a worthy investment that will simplify your cooking routine and elevate your meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.